Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide you with a tutorial on how to install PyTorch with CUDA support on a Linux system. CUDA allows PyTorch to leverage the power of NVIDIA GPUs for accelerated computations. Before you start, make sure you have an NVIDIA GPU with CUDA support. You can check the CUDA compatibility of your GPU on the NVIDIA website, https://developer.nvidia.com/CUDA-GPUs. Here's a step-by-step tutorial for installing PyTorch with CUDA on a Linux system. Make sure you have the latest NVIDIA GPU drivers installed. You can download and install them from the official NVIDIA website, https://www.nvidia.com/download/index.aspx. Download and install the CUDA Toolkit from the NVIDIA website. Choose the version that is compatible with your GPU and system architecture. You can find the CUDA Toolkit here, https://developer.nvidia.com/CUDA-downloads. For example, to install CUDA Toolkit 11.0 on Ubuntu, you can use the following commands. Download and install CUDNN, CUDA Deep Neural Network Library, from the NVIDIA website, https://developer.nvidia.com/cudnn. It's good practice to create a virtual environment to isolate your PyTorch installation. You can use virtualenv or conda for this purpose. Now, you can install PyTorch with CUDA support using pip. Make sure to activate your virtual environment if you created one. Replace CUDA Toolkit equals 11.0 with the version that corresponds to your CUDA Toolkit version. You can verify that PyTorch is installed correctly with the following Python script. This script should output true for the first line if CUDA is available, and the name of your GPU for the second line. That's it. You have successfully installed PyTorch with CUDA support on your Linux system. You can now start developing and training deep learning models with accelerated GPU computations. ChatGPT.